Now, here at 5 o'clock, the 7 teenagers who escaped Holly Hill Hospital are accused of attacking a staff member to get their keys and then kicking their way through a door to get out.
We learned 4 staff members had minor injuries from this. This is at least the 3rd escape from Holly Hill in the last 3 years. Take a look at this. The first was in March of 2024 when 5 teens escaped. The next, June of 2024, 1 teen got out here. And then fast forward to last night. 7 teens escaped. WRAL's Heidi Kirk has been covering these incidences since they have happened. Heidi?
Well, Dan, Ashley, actually, I was standing in this very spot more than a year ago talking to another parent of a teenager who she had just learned escaped this facility. If you can only imagine what that may have felt like. And now Raleigh police said that they returned all 7 of those teenagers that escaped yesterday here safely last night. But still, it's raising questions about how easy it might be to get out of here.
WRAL Investigates has documented issues at Holly Hill Hospital for years. We've connected with dozens of current and former employees, patients, and parents, including Kristen Chavez Anthony.
You hear the word escape and you're like, excuse me, what?
Her son was one of the 5 teens who escaped the facility last year.
It was very stressful. It's a lot of anxiety, a lot of what ifs, a lot of just unknowns.
Now it's happened again. Broadcastify Radio traffic tells part of the story of what happened here before 7 teens left the facility last night.
You got a Holly Hill Children's 201 Michael J. Smith, about 12 boys in a riot trying to escape.
Multiple agencies, including Raleigh police, tracked them down in more than 3 hours.
I saw it this morning when I first woke up, and honestly not shocked. It's unfortunate that, it seems protocols haven't changed.
After the 2024 escape, state inspectors cited Holly Hill. The facility said it would make changes to prevent future escapes, like adding more door inspections and video audits to make sure there are enough staff members washing patients outside. We sent several questions to Holly Hill's CEO, Lee Holston, including, quote, did Holly Hill complete those changes? And what steps have been taken to ensure patients do not escape again? She didn't answer those questions specifically, but shared that the hospital implemented enhanced security measures after the escapes and said the facility meets requirements for staffing.
Now, we also asked the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services if this could prompt another investigation or an inspection. They got back to us saying that they are aware of the incident, but they cannot comment on any possible or ongoing investigations. We'll keep asking questions. Heidi Kirk, WRAL News, live in Raleigh.
All right, Heidi, WRAL has done a number of investigative pieces on the escapes, violations in standard of care that could have prevented previous escapes and state investigations. You can find all of our previous coverage on our website, WRAL.com, and in the WRAL News app.